DoorDash allows users to edit or add tips up to 30 minutes after delivery confirmation. New features include real-time Dasher feedback, allowing customers to adjust tips based on live updates to reduce errors. The app has stricter rules against retroactive tip changes for orders older than 24 hours to prevent fraud. If you're outside the time limit, use the Report an Issue feature in the app with order details. Customer support can resolve most issues within 48 hours by issuing credits or manual adjustments. What if you still can't add a tip? If the app glitches, try clearing the cache, updating the app, or restarting your device. For payment method problems like card limits, switch to a different card or use DoorDash credits. Be wary of unofficial apps or extensions as they risk your account. If problems persist, contact DoorDash support via the app's help section. They often resolve issues quickly. When reporting, include order details to ensure a fast resolution. Tipping on DoorDash rewards good service, and issues are usually resolved proactively.